Welcome to Soul Rebels. This is how to do a wall sit. You want to get your feet shoulder width apart, lean your back against the wall, bring your feet out maybe 2 feet from the wall, depending on how tall you are. Get your feet nice and stable, and you want to slide your body down the wall until you get your thighs parallel to the ground. You want to have a 90-degree angle with your hips and 90-degree with your knees. Make sure your knees are over your ankles. And you want to hold that for 10 seconds. And you can work up to longer times as you get stronger. Okay, go ahead and push your way back up when you're done. And that is a wall sit tutorial.
That felt more than 10 seconds.